How to improve Snapchat camera quality. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device. Now, as you tap on the camera icon, what you need to do in order to improve the Snapchat camera quality is you need to keep your camera steady. You should not be moving or shaking your hands over here. So make sure that you have a steady hand on your Android or your device over here to have a better quality or better quality picture. Next, what you can do is simply check on the profile icon and then tap on settings to check if we have any other settings to make it easier to have a better camera quality on the settings of Snapchat itself. But as you can see, there's no other options on improving the Snapchat camera quality on Snapchat. So you just have to make sure that you have a proper and a better snap camera quality of your Android or of your device itself. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.